So this is how to use www.141sms, the ultimate SMS provider. So click on login. You put in your username and your password. Now you can activate your wallet. If you're using your wallet for the first time, make sure you activate your wallet so that you can load your account. You can check on your profile. You go to the dashboard and view your profile. So all the icons. Great platform for you to use. So let's go to how you can use it to send SMS. You see where you can add broadcast list. So let's click on single SMS. Now you enter your sender ID, which is how you want the SMS to appear, the destination, the phone number you want the SMS to go to. Once you enter the phone number, you enter the sender. Remember, the sender ID is a maximum of 11 characters. You can enter the message that you want to send out. Enter the message. One page is 160 characters. You just click send. It's as easy as that. Now you want to use the platform to send bulk SMS to hundreds of people, thousands of people at the same time. You enter your send ID. For instance, you're sending your wedding invitation. So you have your message, which is your message you want to send out to your recipients, to your contacts. Now here you select if either you have your contacts in a file, you have them, you upload a file. Remember, you use .txt file, notepad, or you want to type it out vertically. You want to type it out, so you type it vertically. You can see it on the screen, and when we're typing out the numbers. You type out the numbers vertically. After typing out the numbers, you click send, and it's as easy as that. Now say you want to schedule an SMS to go at a certain time of the day, certain date. You enter the sender ID, you enter the message, and you select where you want your contacts from. Either you're typing your recipient in the recipient box, or you're uploading your file. You select the date and the time you want the message to be sent. And then you click on the send SMS icon, and the message is sent. Let's go to your distribution list. Distribution list is where you have your sorry, let's go to history. You find out the messages you've sent. Okay, now let's go to your distribution list is where your let's check out contacts. Contact is where you can add contacts. Let's say your customers phone numbers, you add the name of the contact, you add the name of the person's the name of individual. You can now add their phone number. You can also add their email address. It's easy as that. You can delete the contact you've added. So the next is broadcast list. Broadcast list is you want to create broadcast list. Maybe perhaps I've created a list here, but I want to delete it. You want to create a list for your customers. You'll be sending out bulk SMS to them frequently. You have it typed out. You call this, for instance, we'll call this customers updated September 2019. You type the numbers. If you have a file where you have the numbers on Notepad, you can upload the file. You select and you click on create a group, and the group is created. Then remember, you can use this group. You can send out bulk SMS to this group. Let's see how you can select the group. So for instance, you want to send your message. Maybe you have a boutique and you want to send that out from Kitty shops to your customers. You want to send that new arrivals to your customers. You put out new arrivals. You select the group you want to send to. So it's the group which you have uploaded that you call the customer update September 2019. And so we've just shown you how to use a website to send bulk SMS. www.141sms.com, your ultimate bulk SMS provider.